Hey friends, here's a little demo of a few things that I've been working on lately. The playground in the admin interface, all of these are admin routes. I'm in the super admin road there. You can see the normal view, admin view. Go to playground. What is the playground? Well, playground is a place where we are able to deploy and test containers. Why do we have containers? Well, containers are the what I call service plane and also data plane of this multi-tenant SaaS application. The app here on the right is all running in Netlify, and it's a multi-tenant, and that's what we call the control plane. And that's where all of the interactions happen and everything is triggered. And then when someone signs up for one of the higher tier services, like the automated pen testing, where we have continuous long-running jobs running a lot of different tools for an extended period of time, and also agents that need to run for a long time. There are agents inside these containers. We can upgrade the subscription over in the subscription section, and then we can go over in here, and some of this will be exposed to the users as well, but it's really kind of nerdy. It's more about just, hey, let me make sure I'm able to provision these, validate that they're working, do some testing right here from within the interface, like you would in a typical like interactive API docs area, but from the back end. And I'll extend the view here, and you can see we have a recon container that's running 12 tools that are focused on reconnaissance and OS intelligence. And then we have a discovery container. This is the one that's running right now. 13 tools related to active enumeration, exploitation, and binary. And these are all kind of aligned with the MITRE ATT&CK framework. And I won't go into a lot of the detail in this demo about what's in there and how I built them. However, they do have, across all of them, 72 different endpoints that you can see here as I scroll through some of those endpoints. And, the basic premise is I want to trigger a recon mission. I'm packaging up information that we're gathering in the open source intelligence phases of the product experience, and then pushing those over to a recon mission. And then we're having agents that are running through and using these tools and assembling this information, and then sending it back over or telling the tool when it's done, and we're pulling it back in. And most of this is not exposed right now. I'm still working on it and refining it, but the core is there and plumbed in. And here's a demo of kind of, okay, we're connected to the discovery, and we want to run an operational smoke test. It's just going to run through a series of posts and gets and confirm I'm getting a 200 on all of those. And we have a few other different types of tests that have already been pre-built, as well as the ability to kind of make your own tests here, as well as the preset ones there. And then let's look at how let's just go ahead and stop this container. And you look on the left-hand side, this one right here just stopped, and it's org 58. Each container is linked to the org name. Deploy all here. And you can see we have a couple of more spinning up here. And these take about a minute, so I won't bore you with watching that come together, but they'll all spin up, and then I can do my smoke tests on each of them or send any commands I'd like back and forth to them. I can deprovision them, stop them, start them. There you go. Thanks for watching.